Hi, today I'm going to show you a database that will help you do research to prepare for your speech for Ms. Davis's class. What you're going to do is start at the AHS Library homepage. You're going to scroll down and go to Research. When you get to Research, you're going to want to start here for the passwords. These are the passwords to all of the databases that Albemarle High School pays for. You will need to log into this with your K-12 Google Drive in order to see the usernames and passwords. The username and password for the database that we're going to talk about today, which is SIRS Discoverer, is ACPS Schools. So only one S. That's a little confusing. So when you get there, you're going to click on the SIRS Discoverer icon and it will take you to the database. Make sure that you've made a note of the username and password because you are going to be prompted to log in if you are not working in the school building. So I'm logging in. The first thing that I would like you to do is click Login up here with Google. That is going to allow this database to save information directly to your Google Drive. That will help you as you are saving articles that you want to use for your research. When you get to the database, once you've connected to your Google Drive, you're ready to start researching. What you're going to do for this project is scroll down to controversial issues. Ms. Davis shared some of these issues with you the other day. And this is a great spot if you are looking for a speech or for information that will persuade somebody of your point of view. So I'm going to scroll down and I see that there are many interesting topics. And the topic that I'm going to pick is banned books. So what I'm going to do is click on that and it takes me to the main page about this research topic. It gives a summary at the top. Okay, you can click here to read the full summary. It gives you terms to know. So if you're not that familiar with the topic, this gives you some information about some key terms that you're going to need to know as you begin your research. And then it gives an essential question. So this one is, should school administrators be allowed to ban books? The essential questions and the viewpoints will be really helpful in doing your speech, writing your thesis statement, and then also picking which side of the topic you fall on, okay? So it tells you that the first viewpoint is that it is up to school administrators to protect students from indecent and controversial material. And then these articles will help you support this point of view. The other point of view, so taking the other side of the argument, is that by banning books, administrators take the right to choose away from students and parents. So that is another viewpoint and another argument, and these are some resources that will support that point of view. Okay, there are also more viewpoints here. So if you wanted more information, you could click on any of these to find information. These are also some other questions to consider and things that could be talking points in your speech. And then there is a cartoon. So if you wanted to add some kind of visual to your speech, these can be a fun way. The cartoons can be a fun way to do that. You can also look for more information about banned books at this bottom area where it says find more sources. So let's say that you really think that administrators should not ban books, and this is the point of view you want to take. What you're going to do is click on this article, and there's a summary at the top, so you can read the summary and see if this is something that will be helpful to you. You scroll through your article, and you can read it and see what you think of it and if it will be helpful to you. Okay. We also have that you can translate. So if you have a language, if you speak a language other than English, you can translate this from English into other languages, many other languages right here. So I could translate it into Spanish or another language very easily by just clicking this translate button. You can also listen. So this will it will read the article to you. This is where you would save it to your Google Drive. So if you like this article and you want to use it, this is where you would click. And this will provide you with the citation. And the citation is really important, not only for a research paper that you might be writing, but for the activity you're going to do next. You're going to want to copy and paste the citation. Okay, so you just highlight it or click the copy button and paste it into the next document that you're going to be working on for this class. If you liked this article, you can click on View Related Documents, and all of these articles over here and more will be similar to this article. I hope that this instructional video has helped you, and if you need more information, you can always email ahslibrary@k12albemarle.org, and Ms. Locks and Ms. Thorson are happy to answer your questions via email or set up a time to Zoom with you and ask you more questions. Thanks so much and good luck with your project.